how we can use the data from Police Blotter to build a service that provides city dwellers with paths that accommodate a trade-off between short distance and safety. The data from Police Blotter will train a model of safety over the road network of the city, and then we can use network algorithms to provide the required paths. So let's consider a city dweller who wants to walk from Consol Energy Center to the convention center. So essentially, here's our system where we're asking for a path in the city of Pittsburgh between Consol Energy Center and the convention center. So our system will first geocode the locations and then use OpenStreetMaps with the algorithms that we have developed to find the required paths, and then it will use the static map Google API to plot these maps on an image. So clearly there is no user interface at the moment, but here is the map that we get, where we see we get 3 different paths with different trade-offs between safety and distance. For example, the blue path, this one is the shortest, but also it's the most risky one. The green path, on the other hand, is the safest, but it's also the longest. And then you have the red path, which is somewhere in between. Now, clearly the differences both in distance and in risk, in this case, is very small, but you can imagine cases where this is not the case. Of course, there are many things that need to be made better, such as the model needs to consider the type of crime. Now we are using all the reports from Police Blotter equally, and also we are not sure whether Police Blotter has all the incidents. We need to consider time of the day and so on. We also need obviously to build a user interface. However, there are many possibilities, since safety is not only about crimes, but with winter coming up fast, it is also, for example, about driving on icy roads. So if we have data and we know the road conditions and we can build the underlying model for driving safe on these roads, we can also use these algorithms to basically give us driving paths that accommodate the trade-off between distance and safety driving over them.